So basically what we're doing is we're going to demonstrate feasibility for a replacement septic system area.
Yep.
The people are expanding the footprint of or expanding the house. They're not increasing the number of bedrooms, but they're increasing the amount of living space.
Right.
So the state health code requires the homeowner to show feasibility for a replacement septic area.
Now they know if the septic fails,
Right.
they're already ahead of it.
Yes.
And
That's Matt from Chippenny.
Matt from Chimney. This is awesome.
He's in charge of the digging the holes, and then
I'll tell you, Joe was like, "Thank God we found these guys."
We dug 2 test holes.
Yep.
Those are called deep test holes. We're basically looking for groundwater or ledge, or like a restrictive layer. I don't think we found any of that in these 2 holes. So now we're going to dig a perk test.
Yep.
We're going to soak it with water and time how long it takes for the water to run out. And you can see the soil is nice, bright soil. It's not like a wetland soil. It's a well-drained soil.
Yeah. So it's always we're always solving problems in building.
That's what engineers do, I guess. And
especially in
unfortunately, sometimes it's not easy, but
it's not.
People try to avoid us like the plague,
Yeah.
Just because they don't always go this easy, but the soil is soft.
Yeah.
Now we're going to fill it with water, and we're going to they call it pre-soaking the hole.
Yeah.
So we're going to let it drain out at least once.
So this is kind of secondary to that, where you're actually seeing the layers of the hole, the soil with the deep hole.
Yes.
And then this is just showing how quickly the water is going to
get absorbed. Yes, exactly. Yep.
Yeah. So why 18 inches above the water table?
That's the separation required to keep the water, the groundwater clean, like that separation distance.
Yeah. So you don't want the septic
in the water table.
On the water table, because then it's just moving the septic down.
It's just polluting the water, groundwater, right?
Health department has just showed up. So this is the same procedure that's going to happen if the person actually had to do a full septic system. Hey, how you doing?
Feel free to
I'm Dave.
Ask her as many questions as you want.
So we're required to establish an alternate septic system area before we can approve an addition. You have to show a minimum of 50% of a code complying area. Versus if you're adding a bedroom, you have to show 100%.
Okay. So we had to do 50%.
That's all we need. Now we don't want to, if we can show more, we'll show more. I mean, obviously, then if they need to replace the system, they've got an area established.
Yeah.
This will all be established. Now, mind you, if we already had a septic system on the site, and we had all the soil test data, this would be a no-brainer. So, for instance, like if they say they want to bump their kitchen out now, right? We have this on file, quick sign off. Yeah, this looks like a decent area. And Ron, do you know where the property line is up here?
So we kind of flagged it up.
Yeah.
The orange ribbons.
Okay.
So it's basically like over here. It goes up on an angle. We didn't find them pins, but it's basically like right here. So I'll show you on the map that we got. We're basically on this contour here, Kathy. Okay, the well is over here.
Yep.
So we're like on this contour here. Okay, let's go do the other one.
Yeah.
So probably here.
Yep.
Same over on this side. I just wanted to scratch it, that was all. It's not really modeled, but it is hard.
No, it's compact, you can hear
Yeah.
it. Be the best.
Like 8 inches on this one. What do you think, somewhere in there, Kathy?
Yeah.
32?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, brother.
Okay, good.
All right.
It's beautiful.
weather is spectacular,
Thanks.
right?